My eyes sting every time I chop onions. The salt water is stinging my cut right now. A wasp has just stung me on the neck. The cold wind has been stinging my face all morning. A jellyfish stung me at the beach yesterday. I was chopping chilies when they started stinging my hands. The antiseptic had stung before it started to heal. The sunburn had been stinging for days before it peeled. The nettles will sting you if you touch them tomorrow. The smoke will be stinging our eyes all evening. The bites will have stung for hours by bedtime. By tonight, the sunburn will have been stinging for a full day.